Hey everybody, it's Kevin here from Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning. I'm here today on our Facebook Live with a really great guy, special guest, Gerry from Iconic Cabinets. Gerry's one of our really great partners with the Acclaimed Homeowners Club. Crazy projects that you've done, Gerry. We're so excited to have you here today. We'll be announcing the winner of last month's giveaway with Butler Plumbing for a $100 gift card to Sandpiper Golf and Country Club right after this, so keep an eye out for that. And we'll also be telling people about Gerry's giveaway for next month as our featured partner. Gerry, yep. You get the Dear Kevin letter today.
I like it.
All right. You don't want to be me. I'm glad that it says Gerry. So here it goes. Dear Gerry, my husband and I recently purchased a duplex that we're planning to turn into rental properties. We are looking to renovate the current kitchens as they're incredibly outdated. Since we won't be living in the space, we're undecided on how much to spend on new cabinets. What is the major difference between lower end and higher end cabinets? And is the price something that's really worth it in this case? And it's signed Cheapskate, the Smart Landlord.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got it. Well, this is a good question. It comes down to what is the purpose of this unit?
Okay.
This unit is a rental unit, and the renters are going to destroy it. It's just the way it is. Right? So I wouldn't put any money in it. I would love to make the money,
right,
but it's not worth it to put a higher end stuff in there. It's better to keep it simple so that you can get your profit back. The whole idea of a rental unit is to make money, not to...
Right.
Yeah.
So would this statement be true? Install something that's really tough, durable, but basic and cost effective.
Exactly.
Okay, and I've seen the basic stuff you've installed because you've installed basic stuff for me.
Yeah.
And your basic stuff is not so basic.
In your rental unit.
Exactly, right? And it's amazing stuff actually for the base stuff. And it's not like the stuff at Home Depot. It's really good stuff. So
well, there's a lot of new products out there like textured melamines and stuff. So it doesn't have to look cheap. It just it's affordable.
Yeah, well, that's the case, and that's what an expert does, right? An expert can kind of save you money and give you the right product. Awesome, that's fun. Gerry, what is your giveaway for the month as our homeowners?
Let me show you.
I would love to see it.
How about a nice set of drills?
A set of drills?
A set, not one, but two. Two for the price of one.
Fantastic, fantastic.
I figured this is what we use. For the smaller jobs.
Okay.
And it's a perfect tool.
Nice.
I think everybody should have one. So
perfect.
Somebody will get it.
That's best. Are you including the batteries with it?
Absolutely. Can't have a drill without battery.
Wow.
And not one battery, but two. And a charger. And a charger.
Wow. And that's not all. I feel like an infomercial.
What else am I giving now?
You're getting the box.
Oh, the box and
instructions.
And a bag.
And a bag.
Oh,
wow.
right.
It just keeps on coming.
Yes, we keep giving.
I feel like call within the next 59 minutes. And so don't call within the next 59 minutes.
Unless it's a quote.
Not kidding. Well, there you go. Yeah, you can call Gerry anytime. You'll find all of his information on our website
The number's below.
Perfect. So be sure to check out Iconic Cabinets online. Fantastic stuff. Those links will be posted in our caption section as well. And happy August long weekend to everybody. Yeah. Hopefully it's going to be spectacular because the weatherman is always right.
Always.
Yeah, always. Right. Have a good one, you guys.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.